Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Hey, I owe you guys an apology again for the delay in these videos. I've been busy out here in the shop. Put a new workbench up, moved the lathe, rearranged some of the shelving, and did a whole bunch of cleaning. And so, yeah, I guess that's kind of how things have been. I don't think anybody wanted to see a video of me moving a mill and cleaning and rearranging shelves, but I guess now look, we got a nice big clean workspace and new workbench, so I guess that's a good thing. And well, we've got an engine sitting right over there. Let me bring it over, we'll set it down here, we'll open it up and we'll start it. So let me get you guys to where you can see. I'll get that engine over here. Well, there, you guys see what we got? This is another engine that I'd ordered from Sterling Kit. So let's get it cut open and go from there. Oh yeah, we did maintenance on our lamp back there too. The bulb burned out, and well, I think what we put in there is a little bit hotter than what it needs, so I'll probably be changing that back out too. But, so you guys have seen how they package these before. We have our drill start attachment. We have 4 spare piston rings this time. Let's see if I can't smack his camera. Once again, they always package them really nicely. I mean, there's not much getting through here, and you can see the box. I mean, the box was damaged in shipping, but I mean, it's got to go through 2 inches or 3 inches of foam. So alright, well, here's our little engine, and let me see if there's a, we don't have any informative instructions in this one, but yeah, this is it. Let me alright, I'll get you guys pulled back down. We'll get a closer look at it together. We'll go through it, see what we've got. All right, you guys see this okay? This is an M25 little Sideshaft engine, which is kind of neat. Don't have a whole heck of a lot for compression, but we haven't done anything with it except just get it out of the box. So looks like it runs on 3 AA size batteries, and we have an open crankcase, so we'll get this cover. No, we might not have to, but we can probably get in there and oil it. But alright, looks like well, it is liquid cooled, water cooled. There's no water pump on it, so it thermal siphons. And alright, well, I guess there isn't a whole lot to kind of go through on this. I mean, you guys seen plenty of engines before, so this is just a different take on how they operate the valves, which yeah, once again, we have play in them, but I don't know if that's excessive or not. But we'll go through, we'll lube everything up, we'll put batteries in it, and well, our fuel tank, it's back here underneath of it. So nice helical gear cut in there. Looks like our timing magnet is here, and our pickup, right there's our pickup. Our timing magnet is here on this pulley, so if we need to adjust our timing, that'll be easily done. Looks like well, it is adjustable throttle. So alright, I'll quit talking and get busy. We'll lube this up. Oh yeah, we can get in there and get that connecting rod, the big end of it. put a little bit down in our cylinder just to be safe. And what we're going to be using for fuel is, you guys can probably guess what we're going to use for fuel, but it's that same VP 94 octane ethanol free 40-to-1 mix. Still doesn't have a whole heck of a lot of compression, but maybe it doesn't need it. We're going to find out together, won't we? Alright. Well, let's get our batteries in here. And, I was telling you guys that, I spent the last, well, I actually took a week and a half away from being out here in the shop. And, it was Christmas and New Year's, and I spent most of it inside with my family and stayed out of the shop. Well, I got back out here and I realized, holy cow, you got a mess out here. You gotta get busy cleaning. And so I did. And I found more stuff that I'd put away and, waited for. And guys, we've got several engines that we're going to have to be looking at. And I guess this in here was one of them. I'm not sure how long it's been sitting underneath of the workbench over on the other side of the shop over there. But it's sitting here now, and we're getting ready to put fuel in it. So I guess we can check for spark. We'll listen for it. You guys hear it? Oh, we got ignition, so we'll put our boot back over it. Make sure our switch is off. We'll fill up our syringe. We'll put fuel in our tank, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Well, in case you guys were wondering, there it is. Same thing we always use. So we got our syringe filled up. Make a mess all over it. I think our tank is full. I'll get a rag, wipe this up, and then well, we'll turn our ignition on. We'll see if we can make some noise for us. Right. Got my mess cleaned up here. I'll put our fuel cap back on. Spin it around. I'm going to take this air cleaner off of here. Verify which way is wide open and which way is idle. I believe to the front is idle and to the rear is wide open, but we're going to make sure. So let's get that off of there. No, I was wrong. This is idle. That's wide open. So we'll set it to wide open. We'll roll it over until we can see fuel come up our fuel line here. Air bubbles are out of there. Let's turn this on. We'll pinch our idle back a little bit, and we'll see what we got. Maybe it needs more throttle. We definitely have fuel up to it. Nothing yet. Alright, let's pull our spark plug out. We're going to verify. We heard ignition up here. We didn't see it up on the front. Let's get that plug out of there. It was definitely snug. Hell, it's flooded like crazy. Let's check and see where our spark's at. You guys are catching that or not? Let's see if I can pull you guys in closer. So I've seen it do it several times. Once again, these damn boots. You see it arcing down here? Them damn junk boots again, guys. Alright, let's remedy that issue. I'll get you guys set back up. We'll change that boot out. Okay, well, what I did was just took a piece of heat shrink tubing, cut the end off of that, bared some wire, stuck it over there, put our heat shrink over the top of it, and shrunk it around our electrode. So let me turn this light off in the background and let you guys see what's happening here. Well, let me turn this light off here too. Watch right down here. You guys see that spark? Let me turn the overhead light off. It's really dark, guys. Sorry, but watch. Well, that pretty much tells you right out of the box that spark plug's junk. So let me get the lights back on. We'll put a new plug in this and see if we can make it a little bit better than how it was sent to us. So hang in there. Okay, well, there's our known bad spark plug. We have a replacement one here. We're going to put our boot back over there. Let me get my hand out of your road. Maybe we shouldn't have blamed that boot. But we're going to check it. I still see an arc down here on that boot. So we'll scoot it out and see what happens there. We're arcing at the electrode every time. So, alright, let's put this plug in. We know this plug's a good one. So, hopefully, now it will make some noise for us. It'd been nice if they gave us just a little bit more wire. It is what it is. Well, it made some noise. Fussy little bugger. Well, I really don't want to have to start with a drill. Okay. little something. Let's run this main jet in just a touch. Maybe a little bit more. Acts like it's running a little bit rich. Well, doggone thing. Well, it does run. I'm not going to say it runs tremendous yet, but it's the best thing we've had out of it yet, right? Well, it does run. I'm not going to say that it runs fantastic, but I will say that it is a running engine. Well, I guess we'll just leave that off for now, huh? Get some water in that hopper. We'll let it sit here and run for a little bit. See what happens. Alright guys, well it's been running for, I don't know, a little over 7 minutes now, and our cylinder's plenty warm. We do have water up to here, and well, it's not siphoning through. I don't know, it is running. I'm not going to say that it runs great. Kind of a loud little model running. I don't know. What do you guys think we ought to do with it? We'll see if we have any throttle response yet. It does respond to some throttle input. Let's see if it'll start by hand now. No, can't say that I'm terribly impressed with this one, guys. Oh. It does attempt to start by hand. It's just, it seems very loud, and we'll start by hand. Maybe we'll monkey with it a little bit more, or maybe we'll just drain the water out of it and put it on the shelf until we come up with a good use for this one. So, well, maybe we'll tear into it and see what we can do to make it a little bit better. Alright. Interesting looking little model. I like the side shaft. I just wish it was a little bit more executed a little bit nicer, I suppose. So, alright, well, I probably just flooded it. Maybe it just needs to be run in a little bit more, and well, some tweaking and adjusting. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks, guys. We'll set this one out of the way, and I'll show you guys what we're going to work on next. You guys might have seen, remember that turbine engine we worked on? We made a generator, and I'll put the link up there. We got another turbine to work on, and here, there. That's all I'm going to show you. A lot of you guys probably think you know what it is, but you might be surprised. So, all right. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.